Learn English while cooking. So let me show you how to make breadfruit stir fry. This simple, delicious and beginner friendly breadfruit stir fry cooks in about 20 minutes. It is perfect crispy side dish for beginners to master. So let's get cooking. Cut the breadfruit into half, then into quarter, that is 4 pieces. Peel the hard green skin with traditional chopping tool or a coconut scraper. You can also use a knife or a vegetable peeler. Cut out and throw away the thick hard center core. Slice the fruit into thin pieces and then into half-inch cubes. Soak the cubes in water for 5 minutes to remove excess stickiness. Then drain the water and pat dry. So I have breadfruit cubes, finely chopped 1 medium-sized onion, finely chopped 1 tomato, 10 green chilies, curry leaves, freshly grated coconut, cumin seeds, mustard seeds. Now we're going to head over to the stove and we're going to heat up a deep heavy bottom pan or a wok on a medium heat, and once the pan has heated up, we're going to add 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. Add the mustard seeds. Wait until they pop or crackle. Add cumin seeds, curry leaves, chopped green chilies, chopped onion. Saute it, that is cook slowly in oil until the onion turn soft and golden brown. Then add finely chopped tomato, saute it, breadfruit cubes, saute them in the oil for 3 to 4 minutes. Pour in half cup of water, cover the pan with a lid and let it simmer, that is cook slowly just below boiling for 15 minutes until the breadfruit is soft. Stir occasionally to prevent sticking. Remove the lid and check if our breadfruit is cooked. Poke a breadfruit cube with a spoon. It should slide through easily. So our breadfruit is cooked. Lower the heat, stir it and add salt to taste, turmeric powder and grated coconut. Gently mix everything together well until every piece is evenly coated with the spices. Stir it for 2 minutes. Turn off the stove and your breadfruit stir fry is ready to eat. I hope you enjoyed the video and found it useful for cooking and learning English. If you like the video, do like and subscribe. Remember, the secret is in the practice, both for learning English and for cooking. This pairs perfectly with hot steamed rice and dal. Easy, right? Enjoy it.